In this video, we will show how you can sign up for an account in Splendid Accounts and how you can create a company. To sign up for an account and create a company in Splendid Accounts, you will have to come to the login page. You can open it on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser. In the URL, type app.splendidaccounts.com, press Enter, and the login page will open. Then you will click on Create New Account. Here you will fill in your details. Make sure to remember the username because if you ever forget your password, then while forgetting, you will need the username. And you can access the company with the username as well, and you can also log in with the email address. You will click on Sign Up. Here you will add your company details and create the company. Now, in this country time zone home currency when you are creating the company, make sure that whatever you select here, you check carefully and select it because it cannot be changed later. And it is also mentioned in it that after creating the company, it cannot be changed. So whatever your time zone is, your country is, your city is, you should check and select it. Your company has been created here by clicking on the company name, by clicking on Company Settings. Here you can see your company details which we added there. Our company name has come, the country has come, here the city has come. Apart from this, here you can write the address, etc. If you want, you can write it. Thank you.